In this lesson, we will discuss how we can use comments to clarify our program code. We will discuss about single line comments and multi-line comments, and we will also discuss the two different styles for using comments. The question is why we need comments. Placing the comments in your source code makes your program more readable. The comments in C, though visible to the programmer, are invisible to the C compiler and are ignored by the compiler. The comments in C may either be single line comments or they may span multiple lines. The comments in C begin with /* and end with */. For example, this is a single line comment. Typing comments in C is somewhat slow as * is lowercase whereas / is uppercase. Since white spaces are not visible to the C compiler, the comments in C can span multiple lines. For example, this comment spans multiple lines. Sometimes asterisks may be placed in multi-line comment at the start of each line for aesthetic reasons. For example, this is a more decorative way to write a multi-line comment. Now let us consider this program. This program uses a multi-line comment. So these three lines in this program represent multi-line comment. This means that these three lines are ignored by the C compiler. These two asterisks are for decorative purpose only and therefore they are optional. Now the question is, does C allow nested comments? The answer to this question is, it is not allowed in C to nest a comment inside another comment. Thus, it is an error to write this nested comment. When the C compiler encounters */, it signals the end of the comment you started. Hence, when it reaches the next */ comment without a starting comment */, it gives an error. Thus, if you comment out a section of code that already contains comments, the compiler will issue an error. Now let's discuss another style for using comments in C. As of C99 release, the American National Standard Institute, commonly known as ANSI, allowed another style for comments. Using // a comment may be placed on a line and it ends where the line ends. Or in other words, the end of the line signals the end of the comment. So this is another style for commenting in C. Now in this program code, we have used this style for comments here on this line and on this line. I hope you are now clear about how we can use single line and multi-line comments in C program, and you are also now familiar with the two different styles for using comments in C. See you in the next lesson.